In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change profile name in Yahoo Mail account. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so your updated name shows up the way you want in your emails. First, open a web browser and sign in to Yahoo Mail. Once your inbox loads, look toward the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile icon there. This might be a small circular image, a silhouette, or your initials if you haven't added a photo. Click that icon to open a small menu, and choose Account Info. This takes you out of the inbox and into your account settings where your personal details live. On the Account Info page, find the section labeled Personal Info. In the top right of that page, look for a button that says Edit or Update Personal Details, and click it. This is where you can adjust how your name appears. If you don't immediately see the option, give the page a moment to load fully or scroll slightly. It's usually right at the top of the Personal Info section. Now you'll be able to type your new first name, last name, or nickname. Think of this as your display name, the identity people will see when they receive an email from you. If you want a more professional look, use your full first and last name. If you prefer something casual for personal messages, a nickname works, too. Keep it clear and recognizable so recipients know it's you. As you make changes, double-check for typos. A quick glance now can save you from confusion later. When you're happy with the update, click Done or Save Updates. That's the confirmation that locks in your changes. After saving, your new name should apply to future messages. It may take a moment to appear everywhere, so if you don't see it immediately, try refreshing the page or composing a new message to preview the from line. A quick tip: changing your profile name doesn't alter your email address. It only changes how your name is displayed to the people you email. If you use multiple browsers or devices, your change follows your account, so you don't need to update it again elsewhere. For peace of mind, you can send a test email to yourself and verify the new name looks right in your inbox. That's all there is to it. You've just updated your profile name in Yahoo Mail quickly and confidently. Thanks for watching.